everyone, welcome to my first ever Christmas episode. Today we're going to be making a black fluffy pom-pom tree, which is a little creepy and cute too. This is going to be a three-parter, and the last part will probably be out after Christmas, unfortunately. That was a scheduling issue on my part, sorry. Anyway, enough talk from me, let's get started. For the base, I'm using this mache cone that I bought from a hobby store. You can use cardboard if you want and just sort of glue it into a cone, but I just decided to buy one, it's much simpler. In a moment I'm going to be painting this cone black, but first I'm going to give it a coat of gesso so that black acrylic has something to grip onto basically, and it also covers up the card underneath. If you have black primer or a black gesso, you can pretty much skip this step. I'm using some black wire to make some tiny hooks. These will be for hanging our Christmas decorations off later on. I've already gone ahead and marked off the spots I want the hooks to go into with some white wax pencil, and now I'm going to use a pin to pop some holes into those spots. As you can see, the pin got very much bent at the end, so don't use one you like. After slotting the hooks into the holes, you might want to add a little bit of hot glue like this, just to keep them in place, otherwise they'll just fall out. Now it's time for the fun part, gluing on all those fluffy pom-poms. It took me several hours to actually complete this project, but it was really worth it in the end. Now it's time to make the star. I've already got ahead and made the clear part of it, and now we're going to make the black part. Just mix up some black resin and pour it into your shaker mould. Once your star has cured, pop it out of the mould and start cleaning off all the edges. This one, it all just sort of broke away quite easily to begin with, and then it got really stubborn and I had to kind of cut it away. Don't do what I'm doing, you're gonna hurt your fingers. I did. Now let's put some confetti in there. And use some UV resin to seal it all up. I added a little varnish to our star while off camera, just to give it a bit of extra shine. It was looking sort of matte, which those shaker moulds do a little bit. I'm just going to glue it on top of the tree and we're pretty much done. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you'll like and subscribe because it means so much to me. Don't forget to check out the links below for more of my work. I hope to see you all soon. Bye!